the crafty queen, the one and only. And I'm here to let you know I got a treat for you this time. Woo! Y'all ain't ready for it. Nah. Look at this gorgeous African Queen plugin. I'm going to show y'all how to make this today. I got to show you. This is so cute. You'll need your plugin, of course, and you can find your African Queen at your local beauty supply store. I got mine for only $2, and make sure she has a side profile. You could spray paint your African Queen either black or brown. It doesn't matter what kind of spray paint. And as for the plug-in, I use Rust-Oleum paint and primer in the color Claret Wine. And definitely make sure you tape over the prongs. You don't want to get any paint on those. And go ahead and give the plug-in a good coverage. For her hair, I'm using these leftover berries that I have from previous arts and craft projects. They came from Dollar Tree, but you can use beads, marbles, whatever you decide. I wanted her to have 3 different color berries in her hair, so I could not find gold at my local Dollar Tree, so I came up with an idea to paint some of my berries gold. So I just cut some of the stem and stuck it in some styrofoam so I can make a stand to paint some of these berries. I do recommend spray painting the berries if you decide to take the route that I'm taking. However, I didn't want to buy any spray paint because I wasn't going to use it for any other projects except this one. So I decided to use this old 50-cent bottle of gold paint that I had from Walmart. And I just went on ahead and blow dried it with the hair dryer to get it to dry faster. Before you start gluing berries to her hair, make sure you leave some space for her hairband. And just make sure you alternate your berries each color. In my case, white, burgundy, gold. White, burgundy, gold. Once you get her hair filled in, go ahead and determine how much ribbon you need to wrap her hair. Make sure you give yourself some room to tie a bow on top. And then go ahead and glue the ribbon in half. I personally prefer to glue the ribbon to the front berries. That way it looks like it's an actual headband holding her hair in versus if you glue it directly to her head. Go ahead and proceed to tie a knot. And then you can also feel free to glue her headband in whichever direction that you want it to face. Cut off the stems, the frayed ends. You don't want those to show. And there you go. You have your African Queen. Now, I like to use E6000 and hot glue simultaneously because I like the hold that E6000 gives, but I like how fast the hot glue gun dries so you don't have to continue to hold it in place. Just be sure you don't block the mechanism of the plug-in. You want to be able to make adjustments to the air freshener if you want. And there you go. Here's another one that I also made. Aren't these gorgeous? Subscribe to my channel and like it. Leave a comment down below. Bye.